Chief Information Officers, or CIOs, have long shared a core goal: how to fix IT problems faster without endlessly expanding the headcount of their teams. For ages, IT leaders have relied on traditional tools like automation and self-help portals to handle these challenges, helping their teams solve issues quickly. Now, however, artificial intelligence is getting involved, and the entire landscape is transforming. While there has been enormous buzz around companies trying to use AI for their IT support, leaders want solid proof that this technology actually works in an operational environment. To provide that proof, SolarWinds investigated the performance of these new tools. The company analyzed a huge amount of information, gathering 60,000 pieces of data from over 2,000 IT systems. This comprehensive data was collected over a full year, spanning from August 2024 to July 2025. For the study, SolarWinds specifically checked out AI tools designed to make things easier and enhance efficiency. These tools included features like automatically suggesting answers to support tickets, finding helpful articles, and creating helpful summaries of recurring problems. The results offer a very clear idea of how much more efficient companies can get. The main undeniable finding of the report is that it takes significantly less time to fix an IT issue after a company starts using AI. Before AI was adopted, the average time required to solve a problem stood at about 27.42 hours. After the implementation of AI tools, that resolution time dropped to 22.55 hours. This gain means IT operations are about 17.8% faster, saving approximately 4.87 hours per problem. This recovered time is crucial, allowing IT teams to be less bogged down by everyday issues. Instead, they can dedicate their time and expertise to more complex, strategic, or tricky stuff. The financial implications of this efficiency are substantial. The report analyzed the savings for a medium-sized IT team handling around 5,000 problems annually. By saving about 4.87 hours on each one, that team would get back a massive 24,350 hours of work each year. If you conservatively figure a help desk person costs $28 an hour, this efficiency equates to saving over $680,000. But the impact moves far beyond mere cost reduction. The report stresses that IT departments can use that saved time to work on essential projects and, critically, to fix problems before they even happen. This shift helps IT move past simply fixing things and, instead, allows them to actively contribute to the company doing better. The difference in performance between companies that have adopted AI and those that have not is stark and growing. Companies using AI are resolving tickets in about 22.55 hours. In contrast, companies that have not adopted AI are taking much longer, averaging 32.46 hours. This represents about a 30.5% difference in speed, meaning almost 10 hours saved per problem for those leveraging AI. However, the report makes it clear that AI is not a magic fix for broken IT operations. AI only works optimally if the underlying foundation is strong, meaning you must already have good processes and be willing to implement broader, company-wide changes. The best example illustrating this fact comes from the group identified as the top 10 AI adopters. These 10 companies stood out because they achieved the greatest reduction in resolution times. They managed to cut their average fix time from approximately 51 hours down to just 23 hours, saving more than half the time. Their competitive advantage wasn't unique software. It was their methodology. These top performers shared a common trait. They didn't treat AI as a marginal side project or a temporary test. Instead, they made it a fundamental part of their daily workflow to help fix problems. The lesson is that AI yields the best results when paired with concurrent improvements to existing processes and a willingness to improve overall operations. Furthermore, the integration of AI is smoother when an organization already cultivates a strong culture dedicated to foundational elements like effective automation and robust self-service portals. These teams are already focused on making their support desks resilient and ready for anything. AI simply works better when these clear, structured practices are already foundational to the system. So, what should leaders and CIOs do to capitalize on these powerful findings? The SolarWinds report confirms that AI for IT support operations is not just a possibility, it is a current viable solution. Cutting resolution times by almost 18% is a significant advantage for any enterprise leader. Here is what they should do. First, see where you're at. Before making any investments, you must accurately determine your current resolution time. The report suggests the average for companies not using AI hovers around 32.46 hours. Knowing your specific baseline metric is essential for deciding whether an AI investment provides sufficient value. Second, make AI part of the job. Following the example of the top adopters, leaders should avoid treating AI as a side project. Instead, commit to integrating AI into the everyday working mechanisms of the department. This means making structural changes to workflows and focusing on continuous improvement. Third, understand that AI is a tool, not a miracle. AI can really help speed things up, especially if you already have good IT practices. Take the time to audit your existing automation rules and knowledge base. AI works best when clear, structured processes are foundational to your system. Fourth, figure out how much you can save. The report provides a simple, compelling formula to demonstrate the value of AI. Just multiply the total number of annual incidents you handle by the average saving of 4.87 hours per incident. This calculation offers a clear, data-driven idea of the massive efficiency gains available. The operational difference between companies that are embracing AI and those that are not is accelerating rapidly. Leaders must strategically set up their operations now to leverage AI, ensuring that IT truly becomes a real partner in driving the company's success.